Only the head of state, the president and first secretary of ZANU-PF, is the constitutional and political authority to determine the fate of Comrade Paul Tungwarara. No amount of noise from political lightweights like Machacha or CHAMISA, whose relevance is long expired, can override that fundamental reality. Zanapinda mashuwa tono nachipomsarurwa voya pangoenda chikomenda pamusoro pechitiko chinoonekwa kunzi vana Machacha vaya vachistopa empowerment programs Tungwarara vachiuya vachimudhisimisa vachiti aiwa vana Machacha vana kana right. Mutungamiri wenyika nemukuru weZANU-PF ndiye anokwanisa kuzviita. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda paendo yesipomsarurwa anoenderera mberi anyora achiti it is both laughable and tragic that individuals who have long since lost the moral and political canvas of the revolution now seek to cast aspersions on a cadre whose loyalty, sacrifice, and strategic acumen are beyond reproach. ZANU-PF headquarters has been captured. It is no longer the citadel of revolutionary thought and people-driven policy. It has become a playground for the corrupt ambitions of one man, KUTYA. His tentacles have wrapped themselves around the party machinery, turning once principled revolutionaries into erranded boys and praise singers. Machacha and CHAMISA, instead of defending the party's legacy, have become mere megaphones for Tagore interests. Their attacks on Comrade Tungwarara are not ideologically, they are transactional. They fear his independence, his popularity, and above all, his refusal to kneel before their puppet master. ZANU-PF is not for sale. The revolutionary was not wished to hand over the people's sovereignty to a few magnate with deep pockets and shallow patriotism. The people see through the great. They know who stands with them and who stands with the looters. Comrade Tungwarara's fate lies not in the hands of compromised men, but in the hands of the president, the only legitimate authority in this matter. Until such time as the head of state speaks, all other voices are mere noise, irrelevant, self-serving, and ultimately doomed to the dustbin of history. Ndomashikanobuda panguva inoitona kusarurwa anouya achiataka naMachacha pamusoro the position yavakatora yekususpenda empowerment program yaTungwarara. Pinda comment section bedu zvafungiro aimo tukudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, comment on the bell icon.